Hello, this is my current off-grid / camping setup for getting power. I've got these two Tokyo 100 watt solar panels, then I got this 70 amp hour lead acid battery. Let's connect the battery to the solar panel controller. Today is a really sunny day, so we should be able to get some solar energy. Yeah, they're pulling already nicely solar energy. But as you can know, the main problem with this setup is the weight of the battery. So I have come to the conclusion that I need to either get a smaller lead acid battery which weighs less, or get those power stations which are really popular. And you can carry them anyway almost you like, because they weight like a third of this, which weighs about 15 kilos. So there would be no problem to carry those somewhere where you are camping. But with this one, which weighs about 15 kilos, it's almost a job to get this somewhere. So what I was looking for in the power station would be like, it should have like 700 watts continuous output power, and maybe a peak power somewhere around 1000 watts, and it should be able to use with solar panels to charge the battery. And the weight, it's not so big deal. It can weigh 5-7 kilos, doesn't matter so much, but the main thing is that it's compatible with those solar panels and it weighs less than this lead acid battery. So I will be looking for those portable power stations from now, and if you have any good to recommend for me, please do that. And if I see something that is worth looking for, I will maybe get one and show you guys how it works and show you the setup then, and do a little review of the product also. But it would be nice to test those power stations, so hopefully we could do that someday and not get totally rid of this lead acid battery, but as a portable battery it doesn't work so well because it weighs really much. But hopefully we see later. Thanks for watching and bye.